Where are we going?
I don't know.
Should I put these babies in four-wheel drive? Yeah, buddy. Good morning, everyone. We're back on the road. It's about 11 a.m. now, and we left the campground. Everything was good. Had some breakfast on the road.
And
what?
it's your birthday!
Oh, yeah, it's my birthday now. Woo!
Woo!
I got a Chipotle gift card. Two Chipotle gift cards. We probably shouldn't stop at a Chipotle for lunch, though, because we have a lot of food in the van. Although I'm going to be really tempted to.
And it's your birthday.
It is my birthday, so we can do whatever I want, actually. If we pass one, I might stop. So right now, I have our GPS set to someplace in the Monongahela National Forest in West Virginia. Do you like that name? We're going up into the mountains now, getting away from the beach. We're all super crispy from yesterday.
Yeah.
And luckily, my sunburn doesn't hurt that bad. We got 5 hours and 41 minutes to go. We're going a little bit north, across the bridge into Maryland, through Washington, D.C.
Which is not its own state, for those of you who didn't know that.
Yeah, for those of you who didn't know, Washington, D.C. is not a state, because then there would be 51 states. You know there's Washington. You know there's Washington State, though, right?
Yes, I know that.
Like where Trayvax is from.
Yes.
Shout out to Trayvax, Sat Van sponsor, and Multicam. Appreciate you guys. But yeah, we're headed west now, and I don't have any plans to head back east for like the rest of summer. This is the start of like the whole rest of the Sat Van journey. So
yeah.
Hope you guys dig it. Alright, whatever I said about Chipotle earlier, did I say that we're not going to go to Chipotle?
You did.
We're going to Chipotle. We pulled over, we got about 3 hours to go until we get to our destination in West Virginia. Where are they?
Should we use your gift cards on your birthday? You're not paying for lunch on your birthday.
Okay. Burritos on you then. Do you know my order?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Okay.
Burrito or bowl?
Burrito. Steak burrito.
Steak.
Pinto beans. Brown rice. Wait, hold on. What am I missing? Corn, mild, medium. Lettuce sometimes.
No.
You like lettuce?
I don't want it
Sure
on
does.
burrito.
It's a burrito with black... No.
No.
Do you want a drink?
Let's get real wild and drink a Coca-Cola.
Woo-hoo.
How about that?
While I'm in there, can you rinse this out?
Yep.
Thanks.
Okay, hurry back.
I'll be back.
Bye.
Bye.
Welcome back.
Hello.
It's a big burrito, dude. I know this is an extreme long shot, but Chipotle, I still have a big sponsor spot on the side of the van. Chipotle logo would look pretty good right there.
It would.
I could stop at one in every state. I just had new stickers made by a friend of mine today, and he's shipping them to Nashville. So I'll be throwing them on the van once I get there. But yeah, Chipotle, if you want to sponsor the Sat Van, let me know.
Two French
Where are we?
Monongahela.
Monongahela National Forest.
Yeah.
Nice.
Ooh.
How long were we driving for?
Like 5 hours.
5
right?
hours.
5
yeah.
hours?
It wasn't that bad though.
It wasn't.
We did lose cell phone reception about an hour and a half ago. So we're like way further out here than I thought we were going to be. The way we pick places to go, or the way that I pick places to go, is I just look at the map and I go, oh, there's a lot of green here. Let's click that. And then we'll zoom in, and then I'll just like find stuff in the area completely at random. And I feel like that's the best way to do it because we come across some pretty cool places. And now we still actually have 10 minutes on a dirt road. And if I can ever take the sat van on a dirt road, I'm very down for it. It's gonna get dirty, it's kind of muddy. That's nice.
Little creek.
So we found this like perfect little free camping type of area. It's just first come, first serve. And it looks pretty nice. They even have like a little fire pit and a table over here. Definitely need leveling blocks for this one though, especially if we're gonna be using the sink and the shower. I think we need like 2 or 3 up in the front and mostly on the left side.
Stop.
Much better.
You're gonna wear Crocs to go hiking?
Hell yeah, dude.
What are those?
What are those? We showered at the campground that we were at last night, and Crocs are perfect for that. And I haven't taken them off since, so. You know those like little Disney things that you can like put in the holes of the Crocs?
Yeah, the little pops.
I should
called
make,
pops?
I don't know, but I should make
One
those
with your
my
logo. Or like one with like a little van.
You think people would buy that? A little sat
A
van?
little sat van.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
Should I put these babies in 4-wheel drive? Yeah, buddy. 4-wheel driving these suckers. You can hear the traction now. You hear that? Hey, you can't make fun of me when you're wearing those things.
Hey.
There's rocks over there. Do you want to climb up the rocks? This looks like some primo climbing right here. Bouldering. I didn't bring any of my climbing gear with me. What'd you just say?
It's definitely more of a closed toe trail.
Closed toe shoe?
Yeah.
Oh. So you'd rather have Crocs is what you're saying?
No. I'd rather just have my sneakers.
Sounds like you'd rather have Crocs.
I'm not gonna wear Crocs.
This is where you could get lost.
Yeah.
A lot of trails to pick from at this point.
Gotta flip a coin.
Come on, buddy.
Have little legs.
We made it. Well, before we get the fire going, I guess it's only right. I'm still not recovered from Ocean City. Shout out to anyone who has one of these. I think there are only like 25 of these in existence. But for real, I'm pretty sure like only people who have been following my channel from the very beginning and people who were on Patreon have these, so shout out to you guys. On the menu tonight is some Jack Daniels. I think after this we're actually gonna head to Kentucky tomorrow because I wanna check out the bourbon trail. I really enjoy some good bourbon and good whiskeys and stuff like that. So you'll be driving. You can be my DD that whole time through Kentucky. But for now, we're just drinking some good old Jack Daniels. Ooh, that might have been a heavy pour.
Did you forget what you were doing there?
Yeah, well, there's no ice, so I guess we could put some ice in the freezer. Little Jack and Coke. Where are you going?
We need the candle.
That's a good, good ratio right there. We were both pretty full from Chipotle, which we only ate at like 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
It's about 8 o'clock at night now. Fire's going. Eating some chicken Caesar salads. Crap, I gotta post tomorrow morning. We gotta get service somehow. I don't know how we're gonna do that. We're gonna have to drive an hour and a half. Alright, so sorry to the people in the past who didn't get a video at 9 a.m. Video's not coming at 9 a.m. I have a feeling this might be a recurring thing for the foreseeable future. But there will be videos, so that's good. It's very dark now, and we don't have birthday cake, so we're eating birthday s'mores.
Happy birthday.
Thanks, dude. Ooh, they stuck together.
Pretty good.
That's pretty good. Growing up, I was never a huge s'more fan because I didn't really like marshmallow. You still don't like marshmallow. That's why you burn them. I like fluff. Peanut butter and fluff sandwiches. Bomb, dude. Sign me up. This is good. I said I wanted one, but I think I might want another. Alright, so that last quick little time lapse you saw there was us sitting by the fire, making s'mores, and then the log was sitting above the solo stove, causing it to smoke a little bit, and we didn't really smell it because it was like above our heads, and it was coming straight in here to the van, to the smoke detector, and this thing was going off. So we weren't recording, but there was
a wily coyote out there.
I don't know what it was. Like, I've spent a lot of time outside sleeping in hammocks and tents and stuff like that, and I've never heard
Sleeping in a hammock
something make a
tonight.
noise like that. I thought it was a person at first, which is why I didn't move.
I moved.
It sounded like someone trying to imitate a turkey with just their mouth. They're going, isn't that what it sounded like?
No!
Yes, it was.
No!
That was very accurate. That's exactly what it sounded like. Come on.
It did not sound like that. It sounded like a cat.
It went, do it. What did it sound like?
I'm not doing that.
I gave you my sound, your turn. Both. It was definitely not a cat.
It was 100% a cat.
Big old bobcat?
Big old bobcat.
It wasn't a big old bobcat.
You think it was a bird?
It might have been an owl, but like an owl that's been doing math for the past 5 years. I don't know.
Is that why it sounded like what you did? Oh, no.
Yeah, just like that. So that's the noise it made. Whatever. On that note,
Stupid.
we're going to get ready for bed, and I guess I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to do daily videos from here on out or what I'm going to do, but tomorrow we're probably going to wake up, explore the southern half of West Virginia, and then head into Kentucky. So you'll see that in the following episode. Alright, if you're new to the channel, consider clicking subscribe and make new videos every single week. Thank you to everyone for the birthday wishes, by the way.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching.
Talk to you in the next one.